Jiya and welcome to my crib. So I hope you guys remember the stuff from a styling video. I've got that link in the description box. Do check it out, guys. So as we all know that Teachers Day is around the corner. It's on 5th of September, and when I just posted my DIY ombre card video, it just got a comment saying that please make a card on Teachers Day. So yes, in today's video we're gonna do that. So without further ado, here we go. La Carmen Inflammatory. I don't know why I said this, but never mind. Alright, so we're gonna need some colored papers, anti-adhesive and a pair of scissors. Now we will fold our sheet from the middle like this. And then we'll take the white sheet we have, placing it on the corner of the pink sheet, and then we'll cut a semicircle from it. So here we have a white semicircle. We're gonna paste it inside the card like this and cut the same piece as of the white sheet from the pink sheet. Now we're going to make the flowers. For this I've taken this neon colored sheet. So what we're gonna do is fold it like this and trim the extra side out. Now we have a square shape. We're gonna fold it like this so that it forms a triangle. Then again fold it like this, and then once more. Cut the sheet in the shape of the petal like this. So this is what we got. Now we're going to open it. And as you can see, this has formed the shape of a flower. Now take a pencil and curl the edges of the flower like this. See? So now I've got 5 more of these. As we can see that here is a pointed tip at the back of the flower, so we're gonna trim it off so that it sticks well, like this. Let's stick our flowers to the card. Hold them steadily for a couple of seconds so that they stick properly, like so. Okay, so pen down your personalized message and you're good to go. I hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos on fashion and DIYs. If you guys want me to make the video on any of your topics, do let me know in my comment section, guys. I'll surely consider them. And from today, let's aim to 70 likes for this video, and I'll be back with a new video very soon. Till then, stay happy,